Breastfeeding your baby is one of the most precious moments of motherhood, and it's also vitally important for the healthy development of your little one. Breastfeeding takes practice, and being comfortable and relaxed helps your milk flow more easily. Now, research has proven that the same is true when you're expressing milk using a breast pump. If you feel comfortable and relaxed when expressing, your milk flows more easily and you express more milk naturally. That's why we at Philips Avent have developed the Comfort Breast Pump, helping you to feel more comfortable and relaxed when expressing. The Comfort Breast Pump has a unique compact design that lets you sit in a relaxed position without having to lean forward. It comes with our clinically proven massage cushion with soft petals that gently mimic your baby's suckling. The cushion has a soft velvety texture for extra comfort and gentle stimulation of your milk flow. The results are proven. In tests, twice as many mums preferred our Comfort Breast Pump to its closest competitor. The new Philips Avent Comfort Breast Pump. More comfort for more milk, naturally.